This is Noah's tummy time. He needs to learn to lift his head up. He needs to know what's going on. He's just... Oh, he's trying. He's trying.
You need to put him on a harder surface.
Maybe.
No, you can do it.
You're not supposed to be sucking on your hand. You're supposed to be lifting yourself up.
It's a neat machine.
Yeah, I think you definitely needs a harder surface.
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy are still new to this whole tummy time thing.
Get out.
Why are you doing this to me? Why can't I just rest my comfy little head on your shoulders like I've been doing? Oh, Tootie! I'm using this more as a chance to fart than actually lifting his head up. Oh! Oh!
No, we gotta leave him.
I know. I just don't want him to...
It's okay if he hits his head on back down. It's padded, so it's not a big deal. Hi, Noah. Ooh, God bless you. Hi, baby.
Do them push-ups. Push-up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, sleepy. Sleepy boy. Sleepy.
Falling asleep?
No. Eyes are awake, but he's yawning.
Come on, little guy.
You can do it.
Put on a show for everybody.
Oh, look, he's smiling. Smile.
Smiley little guy?
We love you. We love
He's tired.
Noah. Baby. Noah. Noah. Oh, so close. Can I hold it?
Okay. You just keep an eye on...
You should brace his ear. He's a little small.
Oh, you should keep an eye on his head, though.
Touch him. Yes, you can.
Daddy's getting a picture of your big bald head.
It's getting bald, isn't it?
Yeah. Come on, everybody's rooting for you. Everybody's rooting for you.
He's getting mad.
You getting mad? You getting angry? Alright. Alright, we'll stop. Enough for today.